So hi everyone. Today we will solve another problem which is related to the array problem. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it. Also you can share with your friends. So let's get started and jump to the problem and solve the problem first and then move to the solution. So actually the problem name is container with most water. So you can see that there is a many various type of given height, and you have to find the maximum area like between the uh, two sides. Like we have given some heights, like this is the one, the height is 1, and this is the height is 8, and you can see that the height between 8 and 7 is 49. So actually this is a maximum, but yeah, you can also see that height is also a store between these two verticals, like whose height is 8 and also 6, but uh, it is less than 49, so we have to maximize our answer. So let's get into the solution. How can we solve this problem? So there are many various solution for this problem. So the first solution is like we know that uh, we have to maximize our area, right? And we have given a heights. So in this between heights, the water is stored. So how can we find the area? Like suppose that this is a, we also write down here index here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So distance between this verticals and this verticals is equal to 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. Okay, and we can choose minimum out of those vertical. Why we can choose minimum? Because the maximum height, so that we can store the water, is minimum of both. Got it? So here minimum is 7, right? So we can multiply with 7 into 7, so it's give 49, right? So the first method to solve this problem is using the for loops, two for loops. Okay, so for the every verticals, like suppose that we have a given example, given a heights, right? So we can find out the corresponding heights from the 3 to, for the 2 also, 1 also, and 4 also, right? This way. And if we consider the two verticals like 3 and 2, then what is our height? So height is actually this is the minimum between 3 and 2, right? So we can get it, minimum is 2, and the distance between 3 and 2 is what? Their index is also here, 0 1 2 3. So 1 minus 0 is what? 1. So here this is the distance between them. So 2 into 1 is 2. So similar for all the verticals, right? All the vertical height we have given. And what can I do? We can take maximum, and here maximum is what? 9. So 9 is the our required answer. What? But and here this is the area, formula of area, like we take the minimum height and into multiply with the distance between them. Let's suppose that if you find the area between verticals 3 and 4, so what can I do? In the first step, we can take minimum height between 3 and 4 and multiply into distance between them. What is the distance between them? 3 minus 0, which is equal to 3. So minimum is 3 into 3, and 3 into 3 is, so which is equal to 9. But the problem in the solution? Actually, if you apply this algorithm, it takes big of n square, and the space complexity is big of 1. But our constraint, given constraint is what, 10 raised to 5, and if you use this algorithm then it tends to 10 raised to 10, which is given a time limit exceed error, runtime error. Okay, so we have to minimize the time and reduce the time complexity from big O of n squared to n. So another reduced optimized method is we can use two pointer here, right? So let's discuss how two pointer work here. Suppose that we have two pointer, low and high, right? So first of all, take another variable answer and we can store the answer for the current area. So what is the current area? So minimum of 1 and 7, and distance between them is what, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So distance between them is 8 minus 0. So minimum is what, 1 into, so it is equal to, so in this answer 8 is stored, right? So for the first area between the low and high is what, 8, and there are certain condition, like we have two, one low and one is high, right, this one. So in the two pointer approach, what can you do? In this two pointer approach we have to shrink our the range, because the first of all our range is this one, but after the one iteration we have to reduce the range. So the first question is which pointer we have to shifted, like either we can shift low pointer and either we can shift high pointer. So there is a case like those pointer we have to shift whose value is a smaller, right? So here the value is a smaller in at the present at the low pointer, so we have to shift the low pointer to at the index 0 to 1. So currently low pointer is pointing to 1, but why we have to shift the low pointer to 1? Why we don't shift the high pointer to this one? So there are certain case, like there are three case. Suppose that the current height is what, 1, and suppose we have given a, we can get a height which is equal to 1, right? But suppose that if we have to uh, consider this height 1, right, and reduce this pointer, so at the certain case we got a same height 1, but we just think about like our length between two verticals will be reduced, and minimum, if you take the minimum, so minimum is also 1, right? So here the result will be not increase, so that's why we have to shifted the first pointer, like lowest value pointer. And the another case, what we get the smaller height. Suppose that the current height is 8, right, and if we get the height which is equal to 6, so ultimate the height, overall height, because we take a minimum, so minimum height is 6, but it will be reduced from the 8 to 6, so that's why our result will be reduced. And suppose that if we, let's suppose the current height is 1, and we get the another height which is equal to 1, so let's suppose we get a 7, but think about, if you take the minimum, so we get the 1, not the 7, so that's why our result will be also reduced here. So for the one, for the particular this value, for this particular this value which is equal to 1, we get the maximum result which is equal to 8. For the one we can't get more than 8. Well, let's suppose that this the height of this vertical will be 8, and if you consider that this is the both two verticals, so minimum is what, 1, and what is distance between them, 6. So here uh, area is what, 6, which is already less than less than previously. So for the one we have get a maximum result already, so that's why we have to shift into the next pointer. And if suppose that currently now low pointer is this one and high pointer is pointing to last index, let's suppose this, so high is pointing to what, 7, and low is pointing to what. So first of all we have to find the area between them. So area is what, area is minimum, we take minimum, so minimum is 7 into distance between them is what, so distance between them is 8 minus 1, so 7 into 7, so which is equal to 49, so which is greater than 8, so we have to update the 49 from here, right? And after that what can you do, like here the minimum is 7, okay, so we have to shift the high pointer to in the left side, right, from here to here. So now high is pointing to at the index 7. Suppose that we have to don't shift the high pointer to this way, we if we shift the low pointer to this way, right, so our answer would be reduced here, right? So that's why we have to shift the that value which is a smaller in nature, smaller in, so that's why here two pointer is working, right? And if I talk about the time complexity, so time complexity is big of 1, big of n, and the space complexity is uh, big of 1. So let's discuss the code here. The code is much simple. Like actually in this code we have take a n, which is denotes the height of the given array size of the given array, and initialize the low with 0 and high with length minus 1, right? And for the every step, like for this step we have to calculate the answer, and we have already shown that how can we calculate the area, like we take the low, high minus low, which is distance, and this one is minimum, we can take a minimum vertical height, and then we can check out if low value is less than high, so we have to shift the low to low plus plus, otherwise if high is less than low values, so high we can shift the height to height minus minus, and after that finally we return the answer. So thanks.